What's up? I'm here in Harriman State Park, about 40 miles outside of New York City, taking a short little hike up to Tom Jones Shelter. Check out the view though. Only about an hour outside of New York City. Isn't this great? And then there's a cool tree over here. Looks like it got struck by lightning and just burned to the ground. Check it out. Look how charred it is. It's pretty wild. Yeah. Morning. How you doing? Good. Nice place to camp, huh? Yeah. Nice little shelter. Couple fire pits. Platform to sleep on. I'll have to come up here and do a camping trip. So I walked over to the shelter, but it's pretty crowded. People still camping, so I didn't want to disturb anyone. So I'm over here. There's a bunch of these fire pits around because in Harriman State Park you can camp as long as you're within 350 feet of the shelter. But man, look at this view. You can't beat it. For only an hour outside the Bronx, man, feels like a whole different state. So my name's Roland, and it's my YouTube channel. It's gonna be about camping, hiking, fishing, all kinds of outdoorsy things. Cycling, I'm kind of big into cycling too. I have gonna do the 5-borough bike ride, and then I got a century ride that I'm gonna be doing that I'll probably take you guys along for both of those. And then I'm also buying a 1956 Willys wagon, which I'm going to want to turn into the ultimate like adventure, camping, fishing, hiking vehicle. So the videos on that will be coming out soon. I'm actually getting that delivered tomorrow. Oh no, sorry, on Sunday. So film a video on that, and then I'm gonna be doing a bike ride on Saturday, so I'll try to bring you along for that. But yeah, it's gonna be all kinds of things near New York City. You know, venture out, Catskills, Adirondacks, and things like that. I try to fit it in when I have time. I have a daughter who's 3 years old and married, so you know, whenever I get time, I'll shoot videos. I'm hoping for maybe 2 uploads a month. Oh yeah, but man, check this out. Beautiful April day. About 70 degrees out already, and it's only 8 o'clock in the morning. Super hot, but well worth the hike. Look at that lone pine tree out there. Here's another cool little camp spot out here. Everything has such a nice view. But if you made it this far, please do all the YouTube things. Give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Really appreciate it. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If there's something you want to see or any questions you have for me. All right, thanks.